In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use eBay Bucks and earn cash back. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and use eBay Bucks, you need to sign up for the program. So earn rewards on qualifying purchases and redeem the issued certificate during checkout by selecting it in the payment section before it expires. So Bucks are issued quarterly and certificates can be applied to most items with caps on earnings per period. So, how to use it, you might be asking? Just shop on eBay and earn a percentage back in bucks on qualifying items, and then view your available balance and certificates in the eBay bucks section inside of my eBay right over here, as you can see. And now, if it does not appear automatically, copy the code from your box page and enter it in the coupon or gift cards or certificate box. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you